In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable ransomware protection in OneDrive. Ransomware attacks lock your files and demand payment to get them back, so turning on Microsoft's built-in protections is a smart move. We'll use Windows security to protect your important folders, including the ones you keep in OneDrive, with a feature called Controlled Folder Access. Start on your computer by opening Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security. In this section, select Windows Security to open Windows Protection Dashboard. Next, click Virus and Threat Protection. If you see the option again inside Windows Security, click Virus and Threat Protection one more time to bring up its main page. This is where Microsoft centralizes tools for antivirus, real-time protection, and ransomware safeguards. Scroll down until you find the ransomware protection area, then choose Manage Ransomware Protection. Here you'll see Controlled Folder Access. This feature blocks untrusted or suspicious apps from changing files in protected folders, which is exactly what ransomware tries to do. Click the switch or button under Controlled Folder Access to turn it on. Windows may ask for permission to make this change. When the pop-up appears, click Yes. Once it's on, the shield is active and monitoring your chosen folders. Now that it's enabled, let's make sure your OneDrive folders are protected. Click Protect Folders to open the list of protected locations. Then select Add a Protected Folder. When the file picker appears, navigate to OneDrive Personal. Choose the OneDrive folders you want to safeguard. Think about the places you keep your most important documents, photos, and work files. You can add multiple folders and you can always come back later to adjust this list. When you've selected what you need, click Select Folders to confirm. From now on, any untrusted app will be blocked from making changes in those protected OneDrive folders. If something tries to modify your files without permission, Windows Security will step in and let you know. This helps preserve your files from tampering and adds an extra layer of defense alongside your regular antivirus. Keep in mind that legitimate apps should continue to work as expected, and you'll receive notifications if Windows intervenes. That's it, your OneDrive folders are now guarded by Controlled Folder Access. If you ever want to review or expand your protected list, just return to the same ransomware protection settings. Taking a minute to set this up can save you a lot of trouble later. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.